Hey guys, today we learn how to about use Snapseed app and edit a photo like this. Okay, so we can install Snapseed app on Play Store. Okay, to open the Snapseed app and click the plus icon and choose a photo you have like this. Okay, so I will choose a photo. Okay, I am edit this photo on Snapseed app, so we can see this. Okay, now we click tools option and tap the vintage icon. Okay, saturation will be 0, so we can create saturation -100 stylist and +20. We make this 0. Okay, now click the tick option and to open the app we see the layer option. Now click this. Now we click view edits and vintage. Now brush option and we have make background on black and face will be edited. Okay, so I will make a video on fast forward, so we can subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay,
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow.
so this photo will be created and now we see bottom on the tick option and top on the back option. Okay, so we can back. Now we will go to tools option and we see white balance, so click this. Now temperature -15, tint will be -16. Okay, 16. Okay, so we can click tick option. Now we can tap layer option and see the view edits and white balance brush option and same edits. Okay, so we can nothing change to background, just a change on photos face and body's skin. Okay, so I will make a video on fast forward. Please like, share and subscribe. Now we are created a photo, then click a tick option and now we'll back. Then we are go to tools option. We see a double export option, to double export and we choose a PNG like you. Okay, so this PNG name is fire PNG. You can install this PNG on Google and Chrome. Okay, so PNG will be lighter selected. Now same edits on where we have seen this. Okay, we have click a tick option and now we'll back. Then we goes to tools option and click the double export and plus option, so we can select a PNG I will like. Okay, so this PNG name is butterfly PNG. Okay, now we have goes to tools option and click the brush icon and press the exposure EV. Exposure EV will be 0.7 and we will make the face will be white. Okay, so we can white your photo's face like this. Okay, so simply I will make the video on fast forward, so we can like and subscribe. Okay, now our photo will be created and we will be see the EV option. Now press this and click the saturation option and we will make photos saturation on high. Okay, then photos saturation will be make high. not the face. Okay, so we can see this, the photo will be created. So we like this photo editing tutorial, so subscribe my channel. Okay, new tutorial video will be created this channel, and we have any problem photo editing tutorial video, so comment me.